Hello boys and girls, I'm in Ukishar. Ukishar is not far from Goreme, which is the main point here in the region Cappadocia. There is a beautiful castle on the top of an underground city, and this is the perfect spot for sunset. But today is a hiking day and I'm gonna go to the Love Valley. And of course there is an easier way from Goreme, but I'm gonna start here because I know it's much more interesting and adventurous. I have to go down here and walk through all this valley until the end, which is actually the Love Valley. Why it's called the Love Valley? You will see. It's not always easy walk through this valley. Sometimes you have to go through bushes, but you know I don't like easy things. So peaceful here, but so hot. Sometimes, if you leave the main road, you can find some tunnels where you can go through. And these tunnels are made by the water. The tunnel can be very, very narrow, like this one. Whew. Here you can find some berries, and I found some apples. Here, this is grapes. I want to find the red one. There you go. Even better. Let's go. I think I'm almost there at the Love Valley. Why it's called the Love Valley? I think it's pretty obvious. This is how I made videos.